I'll be showing you some mistakes new YouTubers do in their channel that made them not to grow. These are some mistakes that they do. Number one is they just create a YouTube channel without customizing and setting every necessary place that they need to set. The only thing they will first and do that time, they will upload video with no description, with no hashtag, nothing. They have not researched on anything, but they want to upload video. Whenever you create a YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is to customize your YouTube channel. If you browse how to customize your YouTube channel, you will see that's the reason why they ask you to be browsing on YouTube, so that you will get the inspiration on how to do those things, how to customize your YouTube channel, so that whenever you post a video, you'll be getting views. Second thing that new YouTubers do on their channel is that they post a video. Let me say that video got views like 1k view and people subscribe because of that video. Maybe the guy is doing about fashion designing, like the guy is doing about fashion, and his subscribers subscribe because of the fashion designing video. Then you see that in the next video he will upload another niche that is not related to fashion. Whenever that people that subscribe because of the fashion video that you drop see the other video, they will not watch it because it is not the reason why they subscribe. They subscribe because of that niche, that fashion niche that you upload in YouTube. So this can push you down when you are in YouTube. Switching niche can kill your YouTube channel. When you are switching from this to this, it's not good. Just focus on one niche. Focus on what you are passionate on, like what you want, what you like doing, what you can teach, what you can do comfortably. Focus on what you can do. Focusing on what you can do is what will make you grow. It's what will determine if you will grow or not. The third thing that can pull down a new YouTuber, the mistake that new YouTubers do in their video is not in their YouTube channel, is not posting consistently. Whenever you are not posting in YouTube, your YouTube will die. It will just die. You need to be posting, let me say 1 month, you need to post at least 2 videos or 4, let me say 4, one in a week, and try to be posting it at the same time that you post the other one. So YouTube will be getting signal that you are consistent in your posting, and over consistent can kill your channel too. This life is not balanced though. It's not balanced. Whenever you do something like this and you overdo it, it's not good. That's why I've asked you to be researching. For example, Emeka and John. Emeka opened the same niche that you opened, like you people are doing the same thing, and you are posting 5 videos a day. Emeka is posting 4 videos a month, and quality video a month. Emeka is posting 5 videos a day. You see, you need to give your video chance to go viral. You need to give your video chance. Emeka posting 4 videos a month. Emeka gave his video chance to go viral. So whenever you are posting, when this consistent means try to be posting, try to be showing up, but not posting every time. Whenever you're posting every time, even your audience will hate and may not be playing your video anymore, because they are tired of seeing you every time. Posting too much can cause your channel to go down, and posting consistently can cause your channel also to grow by following the instruction It can help your channel to grow by following the instruction. Posting consistent can help your channel grow as fast as. And also try to put hashtag in your video, tags, description. I opened a YouTube channel before and I did not add any description, and that channel is a gaming channel. That time I started YouTube. When I post video, even I post another person video, seeing copyright, I did not recognize that this thing is copyright and this thing is a violation in YouTube. I post without no description, no tag, no just what you see on my video is date, and there is so many copyrights. Add your hashtag, add your keyword, add your description, add trending description, add existing description, add existing keyword, add keywords, add everything that you need so that your video will go viral under your niche. It's not when you are posting under teaching and you add entertainment and dancing. It's not good. When you are teaching, when you are doing teaching niche, you need to add YouTube teaching, tutorial, learning, and all stuff on education. So that is it. If you want to grow on YouTube, post consistently. Number one, don't switch niche. Like, don't switch niche. If you do this video today and if you do this niche today, tomorrow you go and do another niche. If you are cooking today, tomorrow you go and be dancing. If you are doing education, tomorrow you go and start doing fashion. It's not good. Try to focus on one niche. That will make algorithm to know what your targeted audience is, and that will push your video to go far. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, my name is Emmanuel.